The next important question would arise, like who can access this particular application, and what are the what kind of operations this particular application can provide for the different users. So here it has been a very great management tools. By providing the different authorities, we have directly controlling the employees accessing to the software. To check on in detail, click on settings, just right most of the main screen, and the third tab would be items. So now, and this prevents the unauthorized person who is accessing this particular system. And here the user rights allows the admin to have a full control of the authorities to the various employees, and this makes sure the domain of operations is restricted to the unauthorized person. So only assigned roles and assigned authorities can be seen over here. This application provides a security at the user level as well as module level. And here you can see, when you click on users, you can see user master. A default username is created as an admin and enabled as true, and with the blank teacher's name. Before discussing all those things, let me show you how to add different users, and later I'll come to this point and discuss about it. So first let me click on add button. When you click on add button, let me add a new username as a teacher, and the password has teacher. And one more thing to be noted here, the names which are appearing in the drop down box of the teacher, which has been defined on teachers module, which is an admin master teachers. So probably in the previous chapter we have seen how to add a new teacher. So now I'll select one teacher name from here and check on enable field and set the authorities as teacher. See, if I don't select this enable button, which means no rights has been given to this particular user, so the user cannot log into the system and access SchoolAdmin application. Authority has what role? Only has a role of teacher. This particular user can access it. When they have logging as a teacher, they can see only the student details, as well as can see only the reports with respect to the students. Now click on add. So now teacher users has been added successfully. Now let me show you to add and one more authority has a cashier. So now I'll enter the username as cashier, and the password again I'll put it as cashier, and I'll select one teacher name and again enable, so that all the rights has been given to this particular user, and select the authority as cashier. So only has a role of cashier. He can see the fee payment and the fee reports, and click on add button. Now again has an admin user. Click on admin1 has a username and the password as admin1, and I'll select a teacher name, again enable it, and click on admin. Now I have added 3 different roles, and 3 different operations will happen to 3 different roles. So now as I said you before, there is one default username has an admin. So now I want to make some changes in this particular username. So I'll come select edit button, which is an action call. So here I can change the user password also. So to change the user password, I have to select this particular button and enter the old password. Say if the old password does not match, it will show an error, the old password does not match. So I have to give the old password correctly and enter the new password and retype the new password again, and again I can set the new teacher as Sujata, and at the same time I can also change the username as Sujata itself, and click update button. Now that admin has been replaced as a Sujata. And see, down the lane, if this particular teacher called as Ashok has left the school, so I have to disable all the rights to this teacher. Now I can come here, click on edit, and just disable this enable button and click on update. At the same time, I don't want to change the password, so disable this particular button and click update. Now you can see a false written over here, which means there will be no rights given. This particular login won't be enabled. And this is about adding the new roles and responsibilities to them. And if this particular role has to be deleted from this particular master, just click delete icon and say yes.